Morning everybody, it's Chris here from Serene Education speaking with the last of the 4 majors analysis updates for the 23rd of September 2010. It's the Euro US dollar I have in front of me, and I've got it on our CTC strategy template, and it's been used on Metastock Pro, our preferred trading platform. It's a great platform, fantastic platform. I cannot recommend it enough. Daily, wow, Euro is trading well after yesterday. Continuation to the upside, like I mentioned, because we've broken higher, and now we are heading towards our next port of call, the 1370 mark, the 1.3700 mark ish area, thereabouts. It could be lower, it could be higher, but yeah, thereabouts we're getting it. So 1365 or 1300, 13700, sorry, apologize. Thereabouts is going to be our next port of call. Okay. On the way up, though, just be aware we might see some pullbacks. You know, as we've broken through previous support resistance area. Now we're in no man's land. Well, it's not no man's land. We've broken into clear skies. And let's see if there's any. Yeah, broken above the 61.8, going towards 100, 1355 area. So projections tools still on March. You can see we're in an extended uptrend. Okay. So as long as it stays, if we do have a pullback, then as long as it stays above 1330, then we're still going to be seeing some more upside movement. You'll be aware that we have a moving average crossover, which is a strong, very bullish. I haven't even touched the 20 period, so it's just confirming that bullishness. It's broken above a very important 200 period moving average. Now it's classified as all-time bullish, and we're going even further. Just be aware, for the euro today, we have a lot of news out Eurozone this morning, guys. A lot of news. Okay, very important. Factor that into your trading, guys. Okay, but I think today, most importantly, I think a lot of people are going to be sitting wondering or looking for the news announcements or analysis to come out later this afternoon on the US side of the pond. Primarily we have unemployment figures coming out, and the lending side, it's the existing home sale side. So if homes are being bought, etc., then we know that people have money, and if they have money, then it means mortgages are being approved, and if mortgages are being approved, then the banks are talking and lending, which, like I mentioned in the previous blog, starts the whole ball rolling. So let's wait and see, anticipating how that comes out. Got an hourly chart here. You'll notice how I tend to find the trend, make an equal parallel line of that, and look for any sideways movement on that. You'll notice that I have two here at the moment, and the closer we get to previous resistance, well, this is an all-time high on this particular one at the moment for this time frame. So on hourly time frame, this is our all-time high. So you'll notice that we have a squeeze happening now, which needs to get through. So this ceiling level from previous, there's a lot of ceiling resistance here. It's 1345. So break above all that would confirm more upside movement. Failure to close above that today would see probably a fall back subsequently to either the previous breakout. So be aware of it, guys. Okay, you don't want to get caught in any of this noise. It's horrible. You'll find a lot of people are going to be buying, selling, trying to anticipate what's going to be, what the news is likely to be for today, and you can see it's just been trading sideways. I will only be interested if it breaks above 1344 and closes stronger, or I'll only be selling it if it breaks lower than this over here, roughly 1338, or lower here, 1335, for more downside movement. Okay, important to look at it that way. You don't want to be stuck in this sideways motion. You're not making any money. If you're not making any money, you're not going anywhere. If you're not going anywhere, you're not going to be progressing. Okay, that easy, guys. Make it simple, trade simply, don't get all bogged down in all this stuff. Okay, all the best, trade serenely.